The kneeling landmine. The kneeling landmine, we're going to show you the tall kneel and the half kneel. Steve's in the tall kneel position, so just like all our kneeling positions, we want to make sure that the ribs aren't flared out, the pelvis is in a nice position, so we've got rib and pelvis alignment, good cervical spine alignment too. Good neutral spine from here. Steve's going to press with the right arm. As you notice, this is a good about 45-degree angle. We could scoot up to start to increase the height of the arm, or we could start to scoot back, and that's going to decrease the height. So this is a great pressing variation to where we can start to teach somebody to go overhead. So if you've got clients and athletes that they start to get overhead and they start to arch, we just want to make sure we only take them to the position that they can maintain neutral. So this is our tall kneel. Now let's just go through a couple reps of our half kneel. Our half kneel, you can change the base of support so the leg can be out wider for a little bit more support, or we can start to narrow it. We prefer to narrow the stance to get the core online and dialed in before we start to add too much load. In this half kneel, I'd rather to have basically more support from the core. And then as we start to load it, we can start to drift the leg back out and just change foot position and how we're pressing. One last thing I want to go over would be how you pull the bar down. So I don't want to see that bar come down and that shoulder go into there, where he's putting a lot of stress on the anterior shoulder capsule. He's pulling using the back and getting that shoulder into a good position. Good. And that's going to be our kneeling landmine press.